Here we go. See what we can pick up. I don't think anyone's been back because that hasn't moved.
Mm.
Whoa, what the hell? Hello? It's not your phone, that, Paul.
Mm.
No, it's too random. Are you a good spirit? If you're a good spirit, can you take it to the yellow? If you're a bad spirit, can you take it to the red? Don't walk away, come back, come forward. Touch the device in my hand. That's promising straight off, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was, yeah.
You got that memory stick there?
Yeah, I've got a little one there. Fit only 15 gig though.
I can fit a couple of vids on that.
Can you?
Yeah. Is anybody here with us, please? Does anybody here, can you light up one of the balls in one of the rooms for when we get there? Maybe this one by the door. Can you light that one up for us? Can you activate it? Or the one in the room with the green carpet. Can you activate that one? Where did I put the other one?
Yeah. Put one in there.
Oh, in the middle of the room, yeah. Can you activate this one in the middle of the room? You hold that Paul, and he's put my phone in there, airplane mode. Put it down there. I know you can't see, but try and imagine that you're looking down.
Oh, I see, you get it.
Yeah, put this away for a sec. Phone in airplane mode. So now there's no interference from anything. Okay. Is yours in airplane mode?
Yeah. I've got to change it.
Okay. If there's anybody in this room, can you come closer? Can you come to the device in my hand, touch it? Can you activate the ball on the floor? Let's just see if it does work. Yeah, it does work. Can you do that for me? It's a bit dead in this one. Strange how that spiked into the red, wasn't it?
Yeah, straight away.
Let's go in here again so it gets in here. Anybody follow us in here? It's like when you talk, they shut up, you know? Still no vibes, like.
No.
Been in there. Haven't been in there yet. Is anybody in this room with us?
Is that one of your balls?
Yeah. Just make sure that works. Yeah. Can Can you activate the ball on the floor? Oh my God, thank you very much. Again. Thank you. Are you the child spirit that resides here? I did take that on camera, didn't I? Got that on camera then, didn't I?
Yeah.
Thank you for activating the ball. Can you activate the meter in my hand? Can you come closer, please? Or activate the ball again. We appreciate your communication. Thank you very much. Are you something that we should be afraid of? If you are, can you take it to the yellow or just take it out to the green? Do you like us being here? That activated twice, didn't it?
Yeah.
Stopped and then started virtually straight away. Ooh. Right, we're going to try upstairs now. So, do you want to follow us upstairs? We'll light this ball up before we go. Oh my God! Look at that. Fucking hell. Look, it's not leaving it alone. Fucking goosebumps.
Yeah, I did as well.
Thank you for... Oh my God. Thank you for communicating. Can you activate any of the other two balls, please? Can you do that for us? No, not this one. Can you go to another ball, please? Oh my God. I fucked up that. I don't think we need the K2. Can you try and push the ball for me? Can you physically make it move? Mike's not going to believe this. And there's no problem with these balls. They're absolutely brand new. Do us a favour, Paul.
Yeah.
Let's go and get that one by the door. It will flash when you pick it up. See. Put it down next to that one. No, it's only doing one. That's weird, isn't it? Can you activate the other ball, please?
Try picking that up or not?
Yeah, you can do. Pick up the one that's flashing.
Put it down.
No, just take it away. Flick the switch on it. Switch it off. There you go. No, switch it off. Leave it off.
Leave it off.
Yeah. Can you touch this ball, please? Can you activate this one? Or the one in the middle of the room? In the other room? Down there? Go and put that, switch it on and put it on that chair. Can you activate the ball on the armchair, please? That was fucking weird, that, mate. Now that shows there's not a problem with the ball.
No.
Do you want to bring it back? Put it back.
Put that there.
There. So keep your eyes on that one. Whoa. That's weird, isn't it?
That's mad.
Okay. See if you can talk to us.
Oh, man.
Is it because you know I'm going to get... No, it's not. Hello? Can you tell us who it is that's touching the ball on the floor, please? Can you give me a name? Anybody? Right. We're going to leave you in here. You can play with the ball if you like. We're just going to go upstairs for a while. Okay, then we'll come back down. Okay? So thanks for communicating. You may follow us if you want to. We'd like that. We'd like to see your presence upstairs. Yeah. Oh, so stop now, look. And that's not faulty.
Mm-hmm.
No way it's faulty. That's gone off for a reason.
That's great. You take that other one afterwards. You know the other ball that's in here? Take it up, Rose.
I'd say take that one.
The one that went off?
No, the other one.
Okay.
The one that went off, leave that there.
Which one? Is it
The one closest to the radiator, take that one. That's it. Switch it off for a minute.
That's great. Wow. Chill.
Can you make this ball go mental, please? Like you just did with the other one. So we're not making fun. We're here with full respect. It's just gone off. Just thought it caught a flash then. It's alright, we'll come back down. Yeah, look, it's going off on its own again. That's a different ball. Yeah, that's spiking now as well. There's definitely something here, mate, isn't there?
Yeah.
I'm going.
Mm-hmm.
No. See, by this door again. Yeah. Anybody inside here? I don't know about you, mate, but that has just made up for all the disappointment we've had tonight. Paul and I have been to 2 other locations, very, very far from here, over an hour's drive from where we live. Both were inaccessible, unfortunately. Wow, okay. So, let's go upstairs. I'll tell you what I want to do. I want to place that ball, you know, in the room where I got the footsteps. Right. The room where I got the footsteps.
Yeah.
Stick it in there. Oh shit. Oh. Leave that on there. Yeah, you can do. Right in the middle of the room. There you go. Okay. Whoa. Hang on, is that moving because it's on a slope?
It's high off the bed.
Right, it's not moving now, is it?
Mm.
If there's anybody in this room, can you activate the ball on the bed? Or the K2 meter that's on the bed? Fucking hell, guys, that was mental, that wasn't it? Upstairs. 2 different balls. Yeah. I wonder, because last time I was here, it came from this room. See, oh god. It's on a slope, too much of a slope. Oh, it's not having it. Oh, I was going to put it in there. Because there was definitely an entity in here last time I came. So